I'm Chef Laura Bonicelli, and here it is, tip number 1. Have a plan. Planning meals in advance is an important habit that can help save you time, money, and effort. And here's why. You will have all the necessary ingredients on hand. You'll avoid impulsive, unhealthy food choices like potato chips. You can plan a more balanced and varied diet by incorporating vegetables, fruits, proteins, and grains. You will save money because you won't be ordering last-minute takeout or eating out every night. You can also save time and effort by preparing meals in bulk and using leftovers to make new meals. We absolutely have all the tools you need in the Bonicelli Cooking Club. Visit the BonicelliCookingClub.com website, grab some free recipes, and join us. And that is tip number 1. Have a plan.